Pour Up Atlanta, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Blackberry Mojito from scratch. But first, we're gonna take a shot. Cheers. We are here at Lily Midtown, a beautiful, beautiful apartment complex in Midtown Atlanta where residents enjoy luxury living in the middle of Midtown. Now we're gonna prep our glass for our Blackberry Mojito. Prep for mojito is a little bit different than a classic cocktail. First, we are going to sprinkle some blackberries in here. Then we will, I like to use a fork to muddle these just because we can get the flavor out of it. Muddle that. Ooh. Now we're gonna add a sprinkle of the brown sugar at the bottom. And then I also use a whisk to muddle that. You can also use a muddler if you do have that in your bar supply. However, we're making these at home, right? So I don't wanna assume you all have a muddler, so let's use this little whisk. And we're gonna muddle that. All right, now we're gonna add the mint to that. So we'll sprinkle that in and go ahead and muddle that. Then we're gonna add a little bit of simple syrup to this. So it's kind of like, you know, a little recipe, a little souffle, if you will, at the bottom of your glass. Yes. All right, and then you wanna sprinkle a little bit of lime. And then you also wanna place that in. And muddle that. All right, now that we have our glass prepped with our muddled fruit at the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and add our ice. Then we're gonna add a shot of rum. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more because if you know me, I need more than one shot. All right, just a little bit, a little extra. Then we are going to mix this up. You can use your own shaker if you have it. Today I forgot mine, so. And we're just gonna take our whisk and just, you know, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. Yum, yum. Now, all we gotta do is top it off with some club soda. If you don't wanna use club soda, want a little bit more flavor in it, you can also use Sprite. All right, now we're gonna just top that off with your club soda. Then we're going to garnish. So you wanna garnish it, you can garnish it any way you want to. You can put a strawberry on it, a cherry on top, but I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with what I have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some brown sugar on the top, fancy, fancy. I'm gonna grab one of my bigger leaves in here. Just put it on the side like that. Nice little blackberry over there in the corner. And there we have it, y'all. Our Blackberry Springtime Mojito. Thank you again to Lily Midtown for allowing us to use their beautiful space today. Please be sure to follow them on Instagram at Lily Midtown. And when you try this Blackberry Mojito recipe, please be sure to tag us at Pour Up Atlanta and follow us at Pour Up Atlanta on Instagram, Facebook, and all other platforms. Please be safe during this quarantine. Stay inside, be healthy, and make this Blackberry Mojito. Let us know how you love it. And as always, pour up.